Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word datum. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The scientist recorded the geographical datum to accurately map the terrain. Datum refers to a piece of information or a single fact used as a basis for decision-making or analysis, often related to measurements or coordinates. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.